1 week, I made $2,525. I could not believe it. Here I am making more money than what I was making before, and it's due to this wonderful opportunity of the loan signing system. Hi, my name is Sarah Fridelli from Hope, New Jersey. I came about the loan signing system back in March when I lost my job because the company shut down, and I was looking for something to do at home instead of going back to the 9 to 5. I saw Mark in one of the videos on YouTube, but I decided to give it a try. At that point, I was looking for jobs and they were not paying what I was making. So I decided, you know what, if I'm gonna make $60,000, I'm gonna do it on my own. And because I want the freedom at this moment in my life, I travel a lot, and this job has given me the freedom and the flexibility to do so, which is one of my passions. I invested in the program. It's worth every single penny because it gives you details, it gives you updated examples, and it gives you everything that you need to do to be a great loan signing agent. I was a little bit skeptical about being a notary. In fact, when I told my husband I was going to be a mobile notary, he said, you can go to the bank and get that done for free. How are you going to make money? So a year later, or more than a year later, here I am saying that in 1 week, I made $2,525. I could not believe it. I looked at the system and I said, this can't be right. Here I am making more money than what I was making before. And I truly believe in whatever you want to do in life, and you dedicate and you put an effort and you educate yourself to do the best you can and be the best you can achieve this. At the beginning, I was just doing general notary and assigning here and there, and I didn't know what else to do until I heard Mark saying, you have to go direct, just do it scared. It took me a while to go direct, but I can say right now that I am working with 11 title companies. So I have more work than I can handle. And in fact, last week I said that I made $2,500. This week I'm gonna break that record, God willing, because right now I am close to $3,000 and the week is not over. I praise the Lord for this. I thank God for this opportunity. I thank God for Mark, who came into my life a little bit too late. But here I am, Mark. I don't know where have you been all my life, but my husband said to me, I wish you have started this earlier. So yes, if you're on the fence, don't wait until tomorrow. Start this today. Thank you for all this opportunity and for the blessings that we have received through you, Mark. And again, this is the opportunity to have freedom, to have flexibility, and to earn the money that you deserve.